Sen, isa rin po yung sa kudeta sa Senado. Lumalabas din po yung pangalan nyo. Ano pong masasabi nyo
No,
doon?
I'm honored, I'm flattered, dami nagte-text, but I keep telling them, grabe ang problema ng bansa. It's really about the Senate being a salt and light, providing a vision for our people. Right now, kasi the Senate is part of the problem. And it's not the fault of Senator Soto, it's not the fault of Senator Cheese, it's not the fault of Senator Mix, it's just the circumstance. DPWH, Pondo, hindi transparent yung budget, so we're all equally guilty. But the Senate, in the darkest times of our country, always was the salt and light, provided a vision. So it's about providing a vision. Hanggang walang konkretong vision na pwedeng kagatin ng most of the Filipinos rather than grupo-grupo, magiging ganito. And the other reason na may constant talk, kasi nga, siyam kami. So, 4 lang yung kailangan, di ba? Having said that, you would know. Actually, pag pinag-uusapan yan, malamang yan wala.